Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your mouse cursor bigger on Windows. So first of all, open up your Windows search bar and then type mouse onto the search bar. Now after you have done that, you should have the mouse settings up there and you should click on that. Then you can see related settings and you need to click on additional mouse options. Now you can see the pop-up. In here you have to click on pointers. Then under scheme you have Windows default. You have to click here and then you can see all these options. So right now we have the Windows default system scheme. Now I want to make it large, and you can see my mouse cursor has increased in size. Now if I want to make it a little bit more large, I can do this extra large and click apply. So you can see it has become even larger than before, and that's how you can make a mouse cursor bigger in Windows. Now I'm just going to select system since I like to use smaller cursor. It helps me to see things. In your case, you can choose any other options, and also obviously there is a black option as well if you wish to choose a black mouse cursor. So thank you everybody for watching this video.